We want to look at Adobe Mixamo add-on for Blender. Adobe has provided some characters and animation, and you can write Adobe Mixamo add-on for Blender in Google or whatever search engine, and then it brings you here. And you can get the add-on here. When you click this, it's a zip file. You can watch how to install it and this add-on. You can watch this video here that is very well explained, so I wouldn't really go over thoroughly. And then what it explains basically is that when you are in Blender, you can go to edit preferences, and then you go to add-on and install an add-on, and then you pick the zip file that you downloaded, and after you search for it, you search for Mixamo, and then you just enable it. So that's it. I imagine, let's say you have done that, you've watched the other video and done what is supposed to be done. Now you then need to go to, if you go to Mixamo.com, where you can get the characters and the animations. Let's look at the characters first. They have very nice characters that you can choose from. I have downloaded a character that we'll be working with. I downloaded this. You just press it, and then when you press it, you just say it loads a bit, and then looks something like this. Now you just go to, we are still on the character version, so you choose the characters. I chose this. You just click it, it comes here, and then you go to download. One thing I have to tell you is that you can also upload your own character here, and then you can put some you can rig it more or less, but we stick to just what they have given us. So with this, if I go to download it, it gives you Blender uses a binary FBX binary, so you just leave it in the default. It has other options though, and then I will choose there are two options. You can choose the T pose or the original pose. I just choose the T pose, and you can play around with the two. So when you click download, it downloads, and then you can save it to wherever you want. Now after downloading the character, you can also download animations. These animations have amateurs or bones in them. You can, and then let's say if you want this thing to do this, you just choose this, and you see it's already updated it. So then you go to download. Now in the download, it gives us many options. It gives us whether you want to have this with skin. With skin means that it will come with skin, and then if you don't want it without skin, you just press here, because if in case you've already downloaded a character, it already has skin, so maybe you don't want to waste data downloading it with skin. You can choose many of them, and then you can use them. There are different animations here. Okay, let's go to Blender and have a look at how we can use it a bit. So I go to Blender here, and then first of all, let's download or import our character. So we go to import FBX. So this was the character. I pick it, and then I do import. So there you go. Here it says it's here. I can change it to render mode for you to see that that's it. Now you press N on your keyboard to bring this up, and then you can go to Mixamo. When you're in Mixamo, this is our character, and you want to create create control rig. This is what you are going to use. It's the one that is going to control the rig. So in case you have other animations, you'll be hooking those animations on this. So we go to create control rig, and then you can apply animation or IK arm. I think I'll apply all. You can, and then you just go to OK. So it's applied everything, as you can see. Now if you want to, for example, select let's go to the sorry, I forgot. Let's click here, and then let's go to the pose. So now you can select some of these things. Let's see if I select maybe this one here, and I grab it, go to G to move it. You can see that you can move it up and down. So you can also get the character, and you use your own animation by putting some keyframes here, but I will stick to what we have already. Now we have this here. I want to bring an animation, so I go in here, import. It's always an FBX file, but all of them. Let's see, I can bring an something like the joyful jump. I took one of the animations, and it's called joyful jump. So I took it without skin. So when I bring it in, you see that I have only the bones, nothing more. Now one thing I would do is that I'm going to select this one, and I now want to put this animation into our rig or control rig. So I just click it here, and then I'm going to choose this jump bone that I brought in. I can use this thing here to come and then pick this here, and then it brings it here. Okay, you can also just click here and scroll and find it. So now I apply animation. You see it has now these are the keyframes or the animations that were there. I would let me just end it at 60 so it doesn't run to 250. So I just 60, I enter, and then now let's play it and see how it will be doing. So you see this was an animation, it was jumping. Okay, now one thing we can do is that maybe I don't want this, I chose this and I want to change it. So what I can do is that I can select my I want to get rid of this one. One thing I can do is that I do 0 out rig. It says I delete all keys and set every bone to 0, 0. I can do something like that, and then just delete this. I can also just delete it. Actually, it's not necessary. I just wanted to show you this. Not here. I could have just come here and deleted this thing here by just going to objects, and I press this, and then I do X and delete it. Now we bring another animation. It's import, and this. I downloaded this as well. Let's try it. This one here. So this, in the same light, I come and select this one here, and then this is amateur tool. So what I'll do, I can go through here. When you scroll down to look for amateur tool, the name of it was amateur tool, so I choose it now. So this is what I'm going to use. Then you just press apply animation to control rig again. So it's done it now, and now we can look at what it did as well. So this is what it's doing. I put the thing to 60. Let's put it to 30 so it spins around a bit. So okay, I put this backwards, and that's how this is another animation that you can use. So basically that is what the one thing I forgot. You can also bake the animation and then you can export it. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, help me by subscribing to my channel or give the video a like. Thank you. Bye.